പക്ഷെ അന്ന് നോക്കിയിട്ട് വ്യൂ ആവുന്നുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ഇന്നും നോക്കിയിട്ട് വ്യൂ ആവുന്നില്ല. ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ രാവിലെ ആൻസറിനോട് പറഞ്ഞപ്പം എന്തോ അമ്മാര് വരുന്നതാണോ എന്തോ എന്ന് അറിയത്തില്ല. അവരോട് ചോദിക്കാൻ പറഞ്ഞു. അതൊന്നും ചോദിക്കാന്ന് വിചാരിച്ച എന്തായാലും നമ്മൾ അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ചെയ്യുക. പാട്ടില് അന്ന് നോക്കിയിട്ട് വ്യൂ ആവുന്നുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ഇന്നും നോക്കിയിട്ട് വ്യൂ ആവുന്നില്ല. ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ രാവിലെ ആൻസറിനോട് പറഞ്ഞപ്പം എന്തോ അമ്മാര് വരുന്നതാണോ എന്തോ.
അല്ല ഇന്നെന്തോ പറഞ്ഞ യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനൽ നമ്മൾ ക്രിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്യണോ? നേരത്തെ ചെയ്ത പോലല്ലേ ചാനൽ ക്രിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് അങ്ങനെ അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യണോ?
ഒന്നുമില്ല, നമ്മൾ ചെയ്തത് തന്നെയാ സംഭവം. ഇനി ഒന്നും മാറ്റാനൊന്നും പോണ്ട. അവള് വിചാരിച്ച് നമുക്ക് അറിയത്തില്ല എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ അവൾ പറഞ്ഞു തന്നെയാണ്. നമ്മുടെ വിദ്യയുടെയായ നമ്മളുടെ സമയം 3/4 മണിക്കൂർ പോയി കിട്ടി. എന്നിട്ട് COPO തുടങ്ങി വിട്ടത് അന്ന് വേറെ രീതിയിലാണ് പറഞ്ഞത്. പിന്നെ ഇന്ന് പറയുന്ന പോലെ അല്ല നാളെ പറയുന്നത്. ആദ്യം പഠിച്ചിട്ട് ചേച്ചി പഠിച്ചിട്ട് വരട്ടെ. ചേച്ചി അങ്കിത ചേച്ചി പഠിച്ചിട്ട് വന്നിട്ട് എന്താന്ന് വെച്ചാല് പറയുന്നതായിരിക്കും നല്ലത്. ആദ്യം തുടങ്ങി എനിക്ക് നല്ല ഓർമ്മയുണ്ട്. നമ്മുടെ പ്രൊഫൈലൊക്കെ വീണ്ടും ഇടുന്നതിന് മുമ്പേ സിഒ എന്റെ രീതി വെച്ച് ട്രൈ ചെയ്താണ് അത് ജനറേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്നത്. കുറെ സ്റ്റാർട്ടും ചെയ്തിട്ടുമുണ്ട്, അത് ഉറപ്പാണ്.
Jadi,
Hello, everyone. Able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please mute your mics. Mute your mics. Still, some of the voice is getting disturbed. Please mute your speakers.
जरूरी है परिवर्तन जरूरी है उसके लिए जरूरी बदलाव होना चाहिए
Hello, mute yourself. Please stop the TV. Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, I know that you are all mute. Today, it's an important meeting. You know that already we were covering through online postings, right? Online platform. Are you all going through that courses? What are the topics we have put? Are you all going through that? Hope you are doing it. And examination may be after May 31st. It can be in any of the type. Okay, you can't expect as in 10 marks or 5 marks. It can be in any of the form. So be prepared for that. Than that, I would like to say the important aspects which are related to this subject. Okay, any doubt you can raise your hand. As there is a time limit, I want to cover many things today. First, let me say about the YouTube videos. Everyone has to view that topics, whatever we have sent. I can say that technology, the chapters are over. Only left out portion is that biopharmaceutics, viability, that I'll be posting today, tomorrow, some of the videos which have been taken by Reshmi madam, the same topic. And also the left out is toothpaste. Yesterday I have sent cold cream, vanishing cream. Are you all hearing? Hearing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So toothpaste yesterday, today I'll be posting. Other than that, you can view this. Many of the students were asking for the PPTs and all. Okay. So I want to show that how to view in your post app. Okay. You all know your username, password, right? Okay. Just you note it. You can go through laptop or the post app which is in the mobile. Or you can put it as Posto Mobi, POSTOMOBI, Posto Mobi in the laptop. I will share the screen now.
और नोजल के जरिए सैनिटाइजर का छिड़काव होता है।
Hello, hello. It is getting disturbed. Please mute yourself. Otherwise, leave the meeting. The students who are talking, it's getting disturbed for me. So please cooperate in this regard. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes.
Solid with furniture that lasts forever, just like your happiness.
Are you able to see the screen? Okay, 1 minute. I'll unmute. Are you able to see the screen? The student, the poster screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So listen carefully. You keep your register number. Okay. You keep your register number. You know to go into that. The password also, whatever the password that is allotted to you. Log into your account. This is student's account. And go to this institutional courses. Are you able to see institutional courses? INST. Institutional courses. Just click on that. Select program. BPharm. Select the program. It is BPharm. Then select course. You know, the subject name is Pharmaceutical Technology and Biopharmaceutics. You click on to that. Select topic. See, so far I have covered around 16 videos. Okay, each topics. For example, the first one, you can click to that. Register and take this course. Just click on the register and take this course. You will be able to see this video. Just click on that. You can hear that. Okay. And you will not be able to view it as a big screen. Okay. Full screen you may not be able to screen. You will not be able to see now. Once after embedded link is attached, that will be able to see. Some of the topics you'll be able to see as a big screen. Doesn't matter. We will change that. Okay. This is the video what we have put in the YouTube. Each topic is mentioned over there. Okay. So you can drag it. You can just scroll it and identify what are the topics. I have mentioned as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, likewise up to 16 or 17 topics, whatever I have covered, I have put in that. Next, just click down, parenthals, suggested reading is there. Just click on that, you will be getting the PPT. Okay, you can open that and you can save it in your folder or in your desktop, wherever you want to save it, and read those materials. This is what you will be able to view the video as well as the PPTs. Okay. Now you have some doubt. Okay. Something regarding the particular topic, you have some doubt. You can put the doubts over here. You can post it so that it will come to our account and we will reply for that. Sometime you will be telling, you will be asking some doubt regarding the particular the topic or particular line. So you can post that, this page number or the particular title, and still you want some more materials. Any type of queries can be posted over here, so that when we check our account, we'll be able to view. Okay. So this is what about the viewing of the YouTube channel, YouTube videos what we have uploaded, as well as downloading the PPT. The next is, again, you're going to the your main account itself. So you are able to see these videos as well as PPT through INST courses, institutional courses. The next is online exam. Okay, just click on the online exam. Here I have posted many multiple choice questions. Okay, so just you have to select the assessment. Already it has been selected as aerosols. There are many more things, many subjects. Okay, all subjects you will be able to see the MCQ once the teacher once after teachers posted the particular thing. Okay, now for example, the first one, aerosols, you have to click it. Here I have given the instruction, answer all the questions. Proceed to take examination. Okay, load questions. See, the questions will be coming over here. So you can, first one, form stability test can be done by using. So you can choose the exact answer. Automatically, it will be taken. The answer has to be clicked. Automatically, it will be, we will be able to view once you complete these 20 questions. Now I'm not clicking as I am taking from one of the students' account. Likewise, each chapter has got some questions. So now what you do is that, and see, the allotted time is kept over here for completing this session. For example, this aerosols, 44 minutes have been given. So that I will adjust. Each question carries 1 mark. 20 question means not more than 20 minutes. But don't do now unless I instruct. I'll be instructing this through the WhatsApp group itself. Don't do the MCQ questions. What I want is that I'll be telling the particular topic to study. For example, aerosol chapter. Around 2 or 3 videos I have kept over the aerosols. Study that, then only you will be able to write the answers. Because the answers, whatever, the marks what you have to get out of 20, at least minimum of 15 to be there. These all assessment will be sent to the university. Based on this, they'll be considering the internal marks maybe. So the rules, whatever the university says we are supposed to do. And moreover, this is also a part of an internal assessment. So think this as serious. Mostly from Monday onwards, I'll ask you to assess. There are 10 chapters. Each day, maybe 2 chapters you may have to do the assessment. Okay. Now you don't try until unless I give instruction to the WhatsApp group, you don't start. If any problem related to this, let me know. You can personally message me. Okay, that is about the online assessment. If anybody has got doubt, you can raise a hand or you can personally message.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
When will be our final exams?
May I know who is this? Divya?
I'm Divya, ma'am.
Yeah. Mostly after May 31st, it may happen. It depends upon your
After
May 31st.
May
That is
31st.
not sure. Whatever the information we got, I am telling. Okay. And these are the assessments. Since you people have not written the second or third session, these are the ways of assessment which we have to send the marks to the university. Okay. Already before 2 weeks itself, I have told that there will be online examinations. So consider this as serious. We can't predict.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, I think this session is clear. Now, what I want to say is something different. Okay, it is a skill development program. So that program, I will tell you what to do. 1 minute, be online. I'll be sending a link to your WhatsApp group. Okay. If anybody has got doubt, even I'll be posting the same video to the group. Okay. Because this is very important. You want to know about this skill development program and the online assessment, as well as how to view the PPT, as well as the YouTube. Are you able to see the screen? No. Able to see the screen? Please respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. As I told, I'll be sending a link. It is of a WHO link in the group. Okay. So listen carefully. Once after getting that link, just click on that. You'll be getting a page of like this. Okay. So here it's mentioned coronavirus disease COVID-19 training, online training course. This is very much useful for everyone because it is conducted by the WHO and there are several courses under that. Okay. So they give the participation certificate immediately once after finishing this course. This course doesn't take much time. So what I suggest is that you have to undergo 3 courses. So this is the first page where you are able to see as soon as you put the link. So courses like severe acute respiratory infection, SARI, treatment facility design, and COVID-19 operational planning guidelines and COVID-19 partners platform. That is a second course. And third course is the infection prevention and control, IPC for novel coronavirus. Are you able to hear? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So these 3 courses you have to undergo. As I told that they'll be giving the record of achievement and certificate of participation, which will be very useful throughout your life. Okay. So you can write it in your resume also that you have participated in the WHO courses of especially this corona related, the management or operational guidelines. So these 3 courses I ask you to prefer. Okay, minimum of 3 courses to be done. First is severe acute respiratory infection, COVID-19, and infection prevention and control. Okay, now you click to the first one. Let us see that first one. Assess the training. Seen, right? Hello? Are you all seeing the page? Viewing the page?
Yes, ma'am.
So just read what is the course, okay, the course information and everything to be screenshotted. For example, the first course you are taking, this is about severe acute respiratory infection. Just take the screenshot and what you have to do that next step is enroll me for this course. So already I have enrolled, you will be getting this page, okay? You'll be getting this page and create new account. You can create with your email ID, the existing email ID, create a, or whatever the password you're using for the particular account, it can be. Create a new account that will be asking for some details, create the account. Okay, once after creating the account, then only you will be able to go for the course. Okay, so it takes verification or sometimes the account to be verified. So those process to be done that you will be knowing once when you enter to the course, you will be knowing. And after that, the course contents have been given here, module 1, module 2, module 3. And once after enrolling, you will be taken to a dashboard page where your profile will be there. I'll show you the screenshot. Since already I've undergone this course, I may not be able to show you that, or I'll try with the other courses. There are many courses, but I am asking you to join only those 3. So I identify, okay, this is the second one I have told. Even this already I've enrolled, may not be able to see. The third course, see, I've taken the screenshot. Same way you take the screenshot of that. Okay, this is the one where you will be able to see once or after enrolling, you will be able to see your profile page. Okay, profile page. There you have to edit. Okay, unless you edit, you may not be able to join for the further courses. 1 minute. Able to see the screen? Yeah. This is the way you get the name. It should be correct as per the certificate, because they are going to provide you the e-certificate. So the information should be correct enough. Your name, display name, how it should be, date of birth, and other details, required information. Already you have undergone this type of courses. If yes, that you can write all those things to be filled. And once after filling, you will be getting a page like this. This is after the completion of that enrollment. And after that, here right side itself, you will be, there are many questions. This all to be set. Okay. And after that, right side itself, you can start the course or enroll the course again at the right side of, this is the dashboard where you should know your username, password throughout till you get the certificate. And here only you are able to view once after completing this course, that modules, whatever I have shown, the syllabus will have 3 modules. Each module, it may be giving in the form of videos that you can choose. Either you want it in the form of video PPTs, or as such the PPTs, or only audio, or you want to have the quizzes or discussion. The choice is yours. That here itself you have to fill it. For example, here, when following online courses, what are the things you expect or what I want? You can choose. I have selected video lectures, audio lectures, PowerPoint, animations, exercise, and case studies. Many more, around 10 options will be there. You can choose all that too. And after that, you can view that video, module 1, module 2. And after that, end course. It will be given at the left side itself, end course. Once after the end course, if they are satisfied that you have viewed 100% of the particular modules, then only you can go for the end course. Some of the courses will have the quizzes or some assessments. You may have to undergo the assessment. Then only you will be getting the certificate. So the first course, the severe acute respiratory infections, already I have undergone, and I got a certificate of participation. It will not take much time to. Okay. Again and again, I'm telling that is much useful. The certificate will be, very much useful, and you will be getting 2 certificate of participation for the 2 courses. That is a severe acute respiratory infection, and the next one, COVID-19, that operational guidelines, and the record of achievement. Through these 3 courses, you will be getting that everything can be downloaded. If they are satisfied that you have viewed completely and you have done the assessment properly, then only they issue the certificate. Simply you don't get the certificates. So it may not take much time of that. So I suggest everyone to go through that 3 courses, and I'll send the link now itself to the WhatsApp group. And what I want is that take the snapshot. Okay, take the snapshot of your profile and each course snapshot. And once after finishing, I want the certificates too. Each certificate, you can make a folder and 3 certificates can be stored in that. And I'll give a mail ID, you can send over there. So today is Thursday. By Saturday, you finish off this course. Okay, the skill development course. And I want all the 96 students to participate in this. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we can start this course. Be serious. It's very informative. This course is very informative. And you all are final year students, which can be useful everywhere, all over the world. Okay. Globally, it is accepted. This WHO course is globally accepted. Okay. That is what I want to share in this. Anyway, I'll send this recorded video to you so that any doubt you can clarify yourself. You can go into that. A profile, dashboard will be there. You can click to the dashboard and you will be able to identify. Once after finishing the modules, you can go for the end courses. After that, down one more will be certificates, or sometimes some of the course will have the assessment. That means you have to finish the assessment. Okay, so that's all about today's class. And as I told, the toothpaste I'll be sending now, and everyone has to view through your poster app hereafter. Now I'll be sending that toothpaste. You view it completely, and Monday onwards you will be doing the online assessment. Okay, daily 2 chapters. So before that, you go through that and finish off that. Unless you read that, you may not be able to write the MCQs. Okay. Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
So tired. Hope you all are fine.
We are fine.
So the target for this skill development program by Saturday evening, you all have to complete, and the certificate to be stored in the folder. Not only the certificate, I want the snapshot of your profile as well as the 3 courses that you have undergone, the snapshot plus the certificate. Individually, I'll be verifying, and I'll be telling that to send it to a particular email ID for the final year students. Okay, thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you all. Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am. Ajindu.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Good.